Video tutorial, we this time discussing how face change the value of Celsius, B Fahrenheit. So there's one value. For example, the value Celsius that we inputted. We will change. It will go to the parent head. Okay, just go ahead. We go to the video tutorial. Create a variable in advance. I name the variable C. I did it like this. Next, I created a variable that I named variable F to accommodate the formula. Change the value of Celsius to Fahrenheit. Like this. Here, we're going to multiplying the value of Celsius which is inputted with results of division 9/5. So 9 divided by 5. We're gonna multiply with value Celsius that we inputted. Then the results of the multiplication. We're gonna sum it up with 32. The Fahrenheit value will be obtained. We make the output, which will be displayed later in the terminal. I see you do it like this. Don't forget, save by pressing Ctrl+S. Well, now try. We run in the terminal. Well, here we are told to enter a value. Celsius, which is definitely in the form of numbers. I put, for example, 37. I pressed enter. Then for the current head value, it's like this 98.60. Next, let's test the next number, or the value of the next. The value of the Celsius we make, for example, I want to enter 47. The results will be obtained. For the value of the parent head NEA, 116.60. Well, like that. So here's how. How to change Celsius value to Fahrenheit. So, it's pretty easy, guys. Hopefully tutorial this is useful.